Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if personal hotspot just missing on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to do is just open settings, and here you need to check if you turn on airplane mode, because sometimes you can see that now personal hotspot is inactive because I just turn on airplane mode. So if I turn it off, so here you can see that also it become active. So after, you just need to tap on personal hotspot, and now you can see that your network just changed from Wi-Fi to LTE. So your phone just become using cellular data. Also, you need to turn off Wi-Fi and use only cellular data, because personal hotspot just works like this. It just share your cellular data to other devices. So after, you just need to check if you allow other to join, turn on here, and also here you can see your Wi-Fi passwords that user need to write when it tries to connect to your personal hotspot. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.